Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's CVS haul. I put up CVS deal video yesterday because I wasn't able to make it yesterday to the store, but today I'm back at CVS to do this week's haul. And I would also like to say a special thank you to everyone that is supporting this channel, both the new ones and the ones that have been coming back every week. I'm very grateful. I just want to say that. My store Christmas stuff is already at 90%, and I'll be showing you guys what items I pick up and the rest of them. The deals I'll be doing in this haul will be a little different from the video I posted yesterday because some of my CRTs expired and my store has some of the vitamins. So I'll be changing my spend 30 get 10 and also my Revlon. Let me show you guys what I picked up. The first deal I'll be doing will be on the spend 30 get $10 bag, and the first item I'll pick up will be the black elderberry syrup priced at $12.99, and I'll be using a digital coupon for this, a $3 off, or you can print one from coupons.com. To get to 30, I'll pick up some Vitafusion. The D3 is priced at $8.99 and it's also on sale for buy one get one half off. And to complete the transaction, I'll pick up the B12 priced at $15.49. This will be the full price and the $8.99 will be the half off. So I'll be paying just $4.50 for that. The whole thing will come up to $32.98. If you don't have any next purchase CRT and you're doing this by itself, when all the coupons come off, you will pay just $19.98, get $10 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta. I have a $2.50 back on the Vitafusion, so I'll get that twice, making it $5. And for the Zarabi, I will get $4 back. So a total of $9 will come back from Ibotta, making all three items just 98 cents or 33 cents each. But since I have an 8 off of 40, let me go pick up more items. The next deal is an all digital deal as well. It's very simple. It's the Oral-B manual toothbrush. When you buy one, you get $3 back. So I'll pick up this indicator price at $5.19. And we all have a $2 digital coupon. And when you get $3 back, it will be just 19 cents. I'll be using this as a filler item. It's on clearance for $2.24, the Crest Whitening Therapy, and we have a $2 digital coupon, making it just 24 cents. This is everything I'll be picking up in this transaction, and the total amount is $40.41. That way I can be able to use my 8 off of 40. And I forgot to mention there is a 10 off of 2 digital coupon that will apply to the Vitafusion. When all the coupons and CRT come off, I will just be paying $15.41 and I'll get $10 back for the spend 30 and also $3 back for the toothbrush. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. My receipt, and everything almost worked out fine. When you look at the Crest toothpaste, it didn't come up to $2.24 because it was at the wrong spot. So it wasn't on clearance. It's part of the buy 2 get $4 back and it's on sale for $6.99. What I did at the end, when I looked at my receipt to find out what was wrong, I returned it and I lost the $2 digital coupon. But the rest of the whole coupons applied and the CRTs applied very well. The first $3 you're seeing is this $3 paper coupon for the Zarabi. I got this from coupons.com. It's still available. Then the 10 off of 2 came off, and there is another $2 that also double dipped and came off. And you can see the $2 for the Crest, 8 off of 40. I used 2 extra care box, $13.34 and $2.74. I paid $2.07 out of pocket, got $3 back for the toothbrush, and I also got $10 back for the spend 30 get $10 back. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got $9 back, making all this transaction free and a $6.82 money maker. My next deal will be on the Revlon Cosmetics or Beauty Tool, and this is a tier deal. It doesn't track. You have to do it one time. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back or buy 3 get $7 back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll be picking up the emery board priced at $4.99. I'm not picking up the lipstick like I put in the deal video because one of my CRT expired on Saturday. And if I had gone to the store yesterday, I would be able to use it because my store accepts it one day expired. That's the CRT I'm talking about. And these are the 2 items I'll be picking up. I don't have any paper coupon for this or any digital coupon, but the mystery CRT that everybody received, the $4 instant coupon, I'll be using it for this. I also have a 3 off of 10 cosmetic CRT that will work with this. With the 3 off of 10 and the $4 instant coupon, that will deduct $7. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt to show you how everything worked out. My receipt and everything worked out fine. This is a very simple transaction. As you can see, the $4 came off, the $3 came off as well. I paid out of pocket for this. I paid $2.98 and I got my $5 back, making this transaction free and a $2.02 money maker. This transaction I did was because I have a 3 off of 10 snack CRT and I did this on a separate card. The Frutella is part of the spend 30 get $10 back, but on this card I wasn't planning to get to 30. I just want to pick up 2 of them. And if you have Swagbucks, there is a $4 back when you buy 2. But I have some other items, some other snack items that I'll be adding to this transaction. I scanned the gingerbread house kit and it's attaching to the 3 off of 10 snack CRT. So that's why I picked up 3 of them to be able to get me to 10. All 5 items came up to $10.57 and I'll use that 3 off of 10. And I also have a 32% CRT that I got in my email. I know the gingerbread house is on clearance, but that's okay. The 32% will attach to the Frutella and I'll be paying out of pocket for this. I'm not using any extra care box. Let me go check out and we'll all check out my receipt together. I'm back with my receipt. As you can see, everything worked out fine. The 32% only took off $1.65 and I paid $5.92 out of pocket. And I'll be submitting my receipt to Swagbucks and I'll get $4 back for buying 2. And when you look at this part of the receipt, you can see that the $7.18 apply towards the spend 30 get $10 back. In case you're looking for a filler item and you have Swagbucks, you can add this to it. These are some of the clearance items I picked up. For the peanut pickable stock, it's on clearance for $2.20. The firecrackers are on clearance for $1.20. The 50 count unscented tea candles, they're on clearance for 75 cents. And the serving board is on clearance for 50 cents each. And the little galvanized plate is on clearance for 40 cents. I have more videos of the rest of the items that I'll be adding at the end of this whole video. Let me show you guys my receipt. These are everything I picked up. You can see the clearance price on the side. And I rolled over $10 extra care box, paid 45 cents out of pocket for that. And this concludes my video for today, and I would like to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next week. You can stay on and keep watching because I'll show the rest of the clearance items.